Well, so go to the Dynamo and about to install the packages I'm talking about. Okay, not here. And preferences, where in package manager. Okay, node and package file locations, just expand it. And this is the path where you have to install the packages. Okay, so if you're using older Dynamo versions, then there is a settings tab. Okay, so in that settings, you can see the package manager. Okay, where copy the path actually here you can't copy. You don't have an option to copy here. Okay, so C uses Beamer app data. C uses Beamer AppData roaming Dynamo Revit. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now let's go and visit the same place with the same URL. Okay, C and uses Beamer AppData. So AppData is actually a hidden folder. If you can't see the AppData folder, just go to the show and there is an option called hidden items. Just enable it so that you can see that AppData roaming. Okay, and then Dynamo Revit. Okay, so type DYN, yeah, Dynamo, Dynamo Revit. So now I have two folders. It's like it's saying 2.5 and 2.17. So 2.5 is a old one, 2.17 is an updated one. So based on your Revit version, if you have more, you have to install the packages. I have sent you like two different, I'm sending you two different folders for to download the packages. I'll show you later. So copy that into respective folders, like go to 2.17 and where there is a packages folder. It's a default. So packages 2024, I have copied there. So the one which I'm gonna give you, so you have to copy here. I mean, that would be in a zip file. So extract it. After extraction, just copy that and go to the packages and copy all the packages with the names ampersand bakery, black box, Bimera, Butterflow, Civil 3 toolkit. So copy all these folders, come back to the 2.17 folder and install it here. I mean, copy paste, simple, nothing else to do over there. Okay, you just simply copy and paste. Okay, so once you're done and you can close the Dynamo and reopen, you can see all the packages on your screen. Now, way to download the packages. Okay, so let me keep this aside. Let me close this. In this app data, you must see the app data, not what about not this. This is a backup again. So in the packages folder in Dynamo Revit 2.17 packages folder. Okay, so let me close this. Suite.com/Dynamo packages. So this is a link. Okay, this is a link. I'll you just simply type Dynamo packages after suite.com, where this is outdated. Like if you are a 2020 user or below, I mean below 2021 user, you have to install this packages. Okay, so when I hit enter, download this packages. Okay, so download this packages folder. Download it. So once you download, don't extract it, immediately. You have to right click on this zipped folder once it is downloaded and then go to the properties and then there is an option called unblock. So, unblock zip file. Okay. So I'll show you an image. See, select the zip file and right click on properties. So once you downloaded and you can see that there is an option called unblock here. So this is an image actually. So here, once you right click on the properties and it said unblock it. It must be checked and then click apply. So why you have to do this? Because I'm sending you the zip file which contains my username. When you unblock it, it will be override with your username. So now you have a complete access to play with the zip file. Okay. So only for that reason. Okay. Otherwise, even though you extract it, no, you can't see the packages. You can see the packages, but you don't see any nodes in it. Okay. So don't do that. So first download, unblock, extract. Remember this. Okay. Extract process and copy paste. Simple. If you are using about 2020 to 2023, so this is the link 2024. So packages. So this is a detail link. Same procedure. Clear now? Good. So let me upload this into YouTube and I'll send you the link in some time. Okay. Sorry, I was late last night and um, the conversion took a lot of time. So that's the reason. Okay. Thank you.